Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make yummy, tasty and mouth-watering delicacy. If today is your first time of coming across this video, I say thank you for stopping by. And for my old subscribers, I say you are the real VIP. In today's video, I'll be showing you various ways you can make your tortilla. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I will be using the following. In here, I have yellow and red bell pepper, white onions, chicken, eggs, bacon, and finally my tortilla wrap. The first thing I will be doing is to fry my bacon. I'm not going to be adding oil into my pan because it came already with the oil. So I'll just fry this for 1 to 2 minutes. And please do not forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. And now that it's well fried, I will go ahead to take this out of the pan and then I will show you the next thing to do. And if you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Next, I will be adding some cooking vegetable oil into my pan. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I allowed it to hot for some minutes and now I'll be adding the chopped onions. I will fry these for some minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. I went ahead to add the yellow and the red bell pepper off camera. I didn't film that. Now I'll be adding white pepper. This is optional. Next, I will be adding some black pepper. This is also optional as well. I added some salt into this and then I will give everything a stir. And if you have watched up to this moment, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. So I will take this off the gas cooker. Moving over to the next one, we will be cracking our eggs into the bowl. And then I will show you the next thing I did. And if you are watching and you come across any ad or any publicity, please do not skip so that YouTube can be able to pay me through that means. Thank you. So I went ahead to crack all the eggs. Now I'll be adding some salt into the eggs and then I'll go ahead to whisk this up with my hand whisk. I will be showing you the next thing I did. Now I'll go ahead to add the cooked bacon into the whisk egg. I'll also add the cooked vegetable into the egg as well and then give everything a good mix. In that same pan, I will go ahead to add some vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, then I'll just go ahead to rub that on the pan and then I'll scoop that mixture of vegetable and egg into the pan, allow that to cook for a few minutes and then I'll add my tortilla wrap on it, making sure that is well cooked and then I'll go ahead to flip that and then I will place it back again into the pan. Next I'll be adding some cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. Then I will go ahead to add some sliced cheese and thereafter I'll go ahead to add some cut or sliced fresh tomatoes. If you are not a lover of tomatoes, you can skip this part. After adding it, I will still go ahead to add in some in salad. This is salad. Then I'll add more of those mozzarella. Then I will add another tortilla wrap. Then I'll press it in and then I will go ahead to flip this up and making sure that the other side also is well cooked. So I took that off the gas cooker. The next thing we'll be doing is another method. I will also go ahead to add in some scoop of that mixture egg and vegetable. I will swirl this around and then allow it to cook for a few minutes. Next I will add the tortilla wrap again After that, I will go ahead to flip this up, and then I will add mozzarella into this. If you are not a lover of mozzarella, you can skip this part as well. Then I will bend it, just fold it into two, just fold it into two, and then I'll flip it again or allow the other side to cook. And now that all our tortilla wrap are ready, I'll just go ahead to take this first batch, then I will cut it into pizza shape. Guys, if you have watched up to this moment, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you come across any ad, please do not skip. So guys, this is what we have. This can be used for breakfast, can be used for dinner, can be used for lunch. So what will you be using this for? Thank you so much for watching.